Meaning of environs.
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 Environs. Environs refers to the surrounding area or vicinity of a particular place. It encompasses all of the physical features, natural landscapes, and human-made structures that exist in the vicinity. The term can be used to describe both urban and rural areas. In essence, environs are everything that lies in the immediate vicinity of a given location, which can include nearby towns, villages, rivers, mountains, forests, parks, and other landmarks. Understanding the environs of a place is essential for getting a sense of its geography, history, culture, and identity.